Alright guys, so we're here today and I wanted to show off one of the new installs that we did on the Gladiator. Having a Gladiator is really awesome, except for all your stuff has to either ride in the back seat or it has to ride around in the open truck bed. So this is a great product that we got from Rugged Ridge, and basically it's their hard Armis cover. And the reason that I chose this one is because it's coated in Linex, bed liner coating. So we live in the mountains where the environment is really harsh, and we have, you know, tree sap, snow, ice, rain, dust, all kinds of things. So I chose this one because I figured it would be the most durable out of all the covers. And so far I'm very impressed with this cover. A couple notables: it's very secure, it's made in the USA. It's very easy to operate. When you want to open the cover, you basically just pull this guy here. This guy flips back. If you want to open it again, you pull this guy, it flips back again. It has some props if you want to stand it up, which you saw, or you'll see when we install it. And basically it's just a really nice cover. It's very secure. They've got a double seal. They have a seal here, seal on the outside. And basically when you're ready to lock it up, you just basically slam it down, and basically locks back down, and then when you lock your truck bed, everything's secure. And this is going to enhance the use of the Gladiator tremendously. So now when we go on trips, we go wheeling, we go out on the trails, wherever we're at now, we can kind of lock up our stuff back here and it won't fly out. It'll be protected from weather, and it'll keep everybody's eyes off what's in the back of the Gladiator. Full bed cargo. You can flip this one up and these little prop rods hold it up.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.